money. Look at the 1 rupee note and a 2 rupees note. Here is a 5 rupees note and a 10 rupee note. This is a 20 rupees note and a 50 rupees note. This is a 100 rupees note. This is a 50 paise coin. This is a 1 rupee coin. Below these is a 2 rupees coin and a 5 rupees coin.
Addition and subtraction of money. Sunny and his brother Piyush likes a toy which costs 20 rupees. Sunny counts his money, which is only 9 rupees and 50 paise. He asked Piyush if he has some money in his pocket. Piyush counts his money, which is 10 rupees and 50 paise. After adding 9 rupees and 50 paise with 10 rupees and 50 paise, they got 20 rupees and 0 paise. Both the brothers are happy now as they can buy that toy.